talk about hair health. You can't just expect to go to the salon and have them take care of everything overnight. It's not gonna happen. It's like saying you're going to the gym once and then boom, you're coming home and not ever working out again. You can't just rely on the salon to give us everything that we need. Let's start off with something that's super simple. I have 4 things that I'll go over, starting off with the hair ties. Today's video is all about Klassy Conair. They've sent me a few things for hair health, and I 100% agree with everything that they've sent because this is exactly the route that we need to take. It's super basic, super simple. It doesn't have to be crazy. Starting off, they've sent me a bajillion scrunchies. I mean, every single color that you can think of. Like all of us here, you and I could have hair ties for like the next 10 years. But what I want to say with these is that they are satins. Why is that important? Why does that matter? Well, because when you're putting it on your hair, that's fine. That's not an issue. The part is when you're taking it out. Some headbands will rip a lot of your hair out. This one, because it's satin, is going to be more gentle on your hair. It's going to reduce the amount of hair that's going to be coming with it at the end of the day. Next thing that I want to talk about is a headband. So they sent me a black headband. This is the Wash and Prep microfiber. Get ready with me. So right now my hair is done, but when I put it on, I'm not afraid that it's going to mess up my hair. Because of how it's made, I'm not afraid that it's going to mess up my hair. So I'm just going to take it right off, and boom, it hasn't ripped any hair out. There's no hair that came with it. It has not messed up my hair look. Something that is very important is the way that it's made. So if you look at the inside, it's very slick, and that is the design that you want so that it's not ripping your hair when it's coming out. So that is super nice to go ahead and get your hair out of your face and also protect your hair. Thirdly, we're going to talk about the brush. So the brush, this is a brand new brush that they've come out with. It's got some pretty unique features. Like one of them is the bristles are gentle enough to detangle your hair. My daughter's going to love this. She's 2. It's got a little bit of a curve, so it's going to follow your scalp. It's lightweight design, so we love a lightweight, especially when you're doing your hair, and it's like everything starts to feel heavy after a while after you're doing your hair. And also it's easy to clean and maintenance free. So we love that. I'll show you again the bristles right here so you kind of have an idea of what it feels like. I know it doesn't look like your ideal brush, but believe me, this is the brush that you want. I've been using a brush like this for maybe 5 years now. Never went back. Never went back to that ideal regular hair brush because it just never worked out. Hair has never been healthier since I started using bristles like this. So I'm excited to try this one. Lastly, taking care of your scalp. The one that I'm most excited about is this last one right here. Usually right now when I do my shampoo, I'll use my fingers and I'll just kind of wash my hair like that. But now I can use this one. So I'll shampoo my hair, put shampoo, and then use this one to get that shampoo in evenly distributed. To exfoliating the scalp, that's so important. I really want to start taking that serious. I'm so excited for these. If you have any other tips for keeping your hair healthy, drop them down in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you in the next one.